It's really nice. I'll be putting. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're highly welcome. My name is Julia. Please guys, in this channel I do unboxing, hair tutorial, review, unboxing, so many more and all. So guys, in this video we're going to be unboxing, doing the review from chain, from Temu. So let's see all let's do the unboxing together guys. So stay tuned and let me bring them one by one. I have a lot to review, I have a lot to unbox. Go into the review guys. So yeah, I have already opened some of them, but I have some clothes as well. So here we have it from Temu. If I'm talking so fast that you cannot understand me, I'm sorry, because I talk so fast. I cannot talk calm. I don't know why. I'm used to talking so fast. And if you hear any voice in the background, it's my kids. They're playing their room, so as you can hear, they're shouting, but ignore the noise guys. I'm in the sitting room doing the bossing. So I'll quickly wash. So I'll be showing you everything one by one. So here I have my wool. So wool for braiding or for crochet, and I have a gift from them. So let's keep this aside. I have to rush and do this review before my kids will come in. So yeah, I have this I don't know what it's called. So you know, so some of you guys will know what it is. So use it to do curling hair. So you know, you use a quick attachment here, then you wrap it, become a curling hair. So this is good. Yeah, this one is clean, so I have to keep it aside. Anyway, this I arrange them. So here I have hair. It's a human hair, short bob. So yeah, I have short bob. So guys, I will be trying it off camera to show you guys, maybe in my next video. So let's see the next one. So I'm back. I'm sorry guys, so just attend to my kids. So I'll be wearing this wig of in my next video. So I'll be showing you how I put it on. So in my next unboxing is okay, yeah, I have 3 sets of pajamas for my baby girl. My next order, I will order for my other boys. See the way they're shouting, so ignore the noise guys. So they are playing their room. You know how kids shout when they're playing. So yeah, I have a short for my baby girl. So in my next video as well, she will be trying them out. Okay, this one is the shirt. When I ordered it, it was big, but when it came, it was very small. But she will wear it for a while, then I will take it to my baby. See, now they are here to disturb me, but nevertheless it's okay. So that's it complete. So it's 3 sets. This one is black and white, and this one is pink. So pink leopard color. So I'm sorry for the noise guys. So yeah, I have a sport wear. So guys, so they said they're going to their room. I said okay, it's better for me. So yeah, I have a short sport wear. So in my next video I'll be trying it out. So my baby girl should be trying out her pajamas. So here is the sport wear. This sport wear is very cool. So I've tried it already. Picture there. Very strong elastic. So this one will hold the tummy. It will press the tummy inside. So it's a set, 2 sets. You know that this is my orders. I mistakenly ordered 2 things. As in like order one and I mistakenly ordered 2 at once. So I'll be giving them some of them to my sister. Thank God I have a sister here. So here is the top. Let me say brown top. So I'll be placing the picture there. So yeah, I have so yeah, I have another big pack. This one is very big. I have a lot inside here. So let's unbox it together guys. So stay tuned. This is really much. You see what I was talking about? Yeah, I have another extra sports wear. So I mistakenly ordered 2 instead of 1, but I'll give it out to my sister. I hope she starts her. so I will not be opening it because I've already opened the first one. And this is the second hair. Let me chip that so you can see it very well. My baby girl, she's here with me playing, so I give her something to play. So here is the second hair. This one is the first one was, let me bring, one is a French. Yeah, this one is a French, you see. So this one is just a normal, normal wig, and it's a short bob. See inside, and it has an elastic band. This is really good. So I'll be wearing it and make a video for that for another day. So here I have a fry pan. So it's a pan for pancake. So I ordered it for my kids. This is nice for breakfast, to make breakfast. And you can also use to make egg. So many things. Let me show you guys. So you know, I ordered one. So everything just almost two. So here is another one. That one is the white. This one is here. So let me open it. I already opened this one. So this one I have a black arches, like, let me say arches color. The other one is black. So you can see. So it has emoji symbols. You know, kids, they love symbols. So it has emoji symbols. So this one is it. You place here to the gas, and then you pour in your what is it called? Sorry guys. Your pancake, yeah. So you know, to give you those a very nice shape pancake or egg anyway. So whatever. So right away here I have my wooden standing for my hair. So this one is very easy to use when you are braiding your hair. When you are braiding your hair or you're doing something with your hair. So this one I'll be fixing it in these holes. Where is the hole? Yeah, there's a hole here. You see there are many holes here. So this one I will be fixing them in the hole. Then I will place my attachment. I will cut the quantity of attachment I want to use to make my buzz braid, or just a cornrow, anyone. So this is it. This one I ordered two. I didn't make mistake for this one. This one is one of them is for my sister. So here is another cornrow of this wooden. This one is for my sister. So I've not opened this one. See, it's my sister. She also braid her hair by herself. So this one is for my baby girl. I bought this for my baby girl. See, so in the front case. Here I also have a cream for curling hair. So sometimes my baby girl, I don't make her hair. Not every time I make her hair. Sometimes I just leave her hair afro because she have afro hair. So I'll kindly put this cream here, as you can see. So it's black castor oil curly cream. So anyway, I ordered one. I mistakenly ordered two. You see, I almost ordered everything two, so I don't know why. So I really made a mistake. So this one. So I think you guys will know it. So this one where you want to make a cornrow, and you want to cut it like fading. I don't know what to call. So you can use it to cut it and have it will give you that nice line. So I've not tried it, but so here I have for waffle. So I call it waffle in Dutch, but in English I don't know what is the name. So children eat it, you know it is like pancake. So this I'm using to make waffle. This one is a shower cap for my baby girl. So sometimes I'm getting her, so the water is touching her natural hair, which is not that nice. So her hair will be soaked. So I have to lose it and do it again. So this one I use it for her. So here I have a wig cap. Wig cap. So I'm using to fix my wig. I told you guys for the last video that so I'm going to school for now, so I'm studying, so I'll be uploading vlog video, hair tutorial, or fixing of wig, you know. So I bought this one will be easy for me to fix wig. You see, they already make the lines down, so it'll be easy to fix wig. So anyway, I ordered one and two came. I don't know if it's a gift, but it's strange that I ordered one and one is It's going together. So this one I ordered it. When I saw it was small, but when it came big, but nevertheless it's also nice. It's a white comb, very white. It's good to not to comb the hair, and this one to make the pattern of the hair. So I need to sharpen the down because it's a little bit buff. Yeah. So this one is mousse, guys. So I ordered this mousse. It was big when I saw the picture. So but when it came, it was very small. You know, online things now. So anyhow, we see. So this one is for my son. So in case when they're cutting their hair, when they barb their hair, so they can easily fit this one on their head. So that the hair will not go to their body, you know. So this one is really good for the kids. So they just put their head there, then close it like this. So it's really nice. So when the daddy is barbing their hair, the hair will go in there without blocking the hole to the bathroom. So here, this one I saw it was big as well, but my greatest surprise when it came, it was very small. What is this? Let's see. It's a brush. It's a brush to wash your shoes. That is especially the kids' shoe. When they wear their shoe to school, to kindergarten. Every time it's very dirty. So I'll be using this one to wash it, the edge. So I'll be putting soap inside here, then close it with this. Then you can easily wash their shoes, because I wash their shoes every time, guys. So yeah, I forgot this. It's a free wig cap. So they add it to my human hair. That's the gift I got from them. So guys, everything is finished. See, this bag is very big. It carries a lot of things. So the review and the bossing, thank you for bossing with me. Thank you for doing this beautiful review with me, guys. Everything is finished. Please kindly subscribe to this channel by helping me. So thumbs up this video, share me out if you can. Thank you all. God bless you for your all support and for your coming back to watch my videos. Thank you to my new subscribers. So guys, I'll be leaving this video here. See you in my next video. Bye for now. Bye guys. So I'll be coming around the White Street once in a while. I don't know why I'm dancing. I'm just like oh god, I'm too excited. So I'm doing it. She left. She wants to go and meet the boys. So I'll go and meet them right now so they will not fight. So guys, thank you for your review and for your support. With me, subscribe, thumbs up this video, and give this video a beautiful thumbs up. Thank you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah.